Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use sound equalizer of your Soundcore Sport X10. So you have to just open the settings and you have to go simply for the equalizer, and we've got two options, the default one. So when you open right here you will find a lot of different modes, presets of your equalizer that you can simply change by tapping just right here, and that's also the graphic information about each preset. You've got also option to go for the custom one when you can create your own preset. So we can do this by moving these dots like that up and down, and you can just simply click right here to give it the custom name. Click done, and as you can see it will appear just right here, and you will be able to switch between your custom presets. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.